How to support your partner with breastfeeding. A study the International La Leche League has shown that partners who are actively supportive and encourage their partner with breastfeeding increases the continuous rates. Breastfeeding might be something that you or your partner have never considered, and it might not have been anything that you've seen anybody do before. This can sometimes be a factor in the decision not to breastfeed. I just wanted to let you know how you can be involved and play a supportive role, which is really important to mum. The benefits to both mum and baby are endless, but here are just a few. Infant health. It protects children from a vast range of illnesses, including infection, diabetes, and asthma. And maternal health. It can also protect mothers from breast and ovarian cancers, as well as heart disease. It helps to promote and encourage the relationship between mum and baby. If your partner wants to breastfeed, encourage this and be as supportive as you can. Try to educate yourself before baby arrives on how you can help. It is important that you have both made an informed decision on how you want to feed your baby. It is common for a lot of dads and partners to feel that they cannot be involved with breastfeeding, but you can. You play a really important role and a very supportive role to mum. Do what you can to make sure your partner is comfortable and has everything nearby. Reassure them and encourage them and be as supportive as you possibly can, and remember that your opinion really does matter. Do the housework and the chores as much as you possibly can. It can be a few days before your wife or partner's milk will come in and become established, so just assure her that she's doing a great job. Prepare snacks and encourage mum to eat regularly. Make the snacks and offer drinks. It's also important that mum stays hydrated while breastfeeding. If you have a breastfeeding pillow, help mum to get comfortable and adjust where necessary. You can help keep track of which side mum is feeding from, and you can get an app on your phone to help you with this. When your baby is fed, you can help wind and change baby's nappy. During nighttime feeding, help with winding and baby and changing nappies as well, but also getting snacks and drinks and just being there with someone to talk to so she's not on her own during the night. Support mum as much as you can, as something is natural doesn't always come naturally, and some mums can find it difficult. So be supportive, kind and understanding. Try to do skin to skin yourself with baby after a feed. This will also allow mum some time to herself and give you a chance to bond with baby. What is important for you both to remember is if baby is sleeping, that you can both try and rest in the early days. Continue to communicate. You are in this together and it's hard being a new parent and you're still learning everything, so don't be hard on yourself. Prepare meals in advance if you can. Ask family and friends to help with this and put the meals in the freezer. There is support available locally and the Early Breastfeeding Support Service in the north of Warwickshire, who can help assess antenatally and also parents when they are discharged from maternity unit. There are also national charities who can offer great advice on breastfeeding. Here are just a few: unicef.org.uk, the National Breastfeeding Helpline and the Breastfeeding Network.